In this tutorial, we will simulate this circuit in Simulink, and we will find the output phase shift, and we will give comment on whether it's leading or lagging. Okay, so let's go Simulink, and we need a AC voltage source. Okay, so I'm taking a AC voltage source, and then we need a series RLC branch, and the value is R, and this one is L and R. Okay, so I'm taking the L value here. Okay, and let's make the circuit LR. So this one will be first one, then this will be our R, and this similarly L and R. Okay, so this is L and this is R. Now so this is our circuit. Okay, and the L is 1 millihenry and 2 millihenry. So 1A minus 3, and it will be twice A minus 3. Okay, and the R value will be 10 and 50. So this one is 10 and this one is 50. Okay, now take a power GY block, and we need a voltage measurement block here. Okay, okay, now we have to change the power GUI block simulation type to a phasor. Okay, now I'm not setting frequency here because we have given frequency in the math. Okay, now you can see the input is 10 volt and frequency is 5 kilohertz. Okay, so this is 10 volt and frequency is 583. So this frequency will be here. Okay, so this will be 583. Now click OK, and we need a display block to see the output. Okay, here in voltage we need magnitude and angle. Okay, now click OK. So this is all. Simulation stop time on is enough. Now run this model. Now you can see the output here. Okay, so you can see the output is giving us a minus 120.4, as this is minus, and so this will be lagging. Now you can see this is lagging, and voltage is 1.716. Now you can see voltage is 1.716. So this is the way you can run your circuit in Simulink and model your custom design. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.